I would like to thank ArtMed and the resource speakers, si Dr. Jerry, si Kuya Joms, 'di ba? And the participants for the recently concluded talk, 'di ba? Also as an announcement to the participants, sabi ko magre-regalo ako. I will give a gift para for those non-Filipino speaking. I will be the first in line to be invited in a fellowship, a close group, should you want to join, to continue the conversation and to actually get into what we were speaking, yung panunumbalik sa bayanihan. Diba? We would like to invite you to enter the best of what the culture can offer by having this relationship with you. We will the next talks will be more face to face and more, based on the input that we'll be getting from you, but already as discussed, we will be meeting each other in order to come up with what we call a compendium of practices that will lead to a living document. Parang siya, it will be a Samakaf Home Site Guide Part 2. Though I will find a way to see if there's still a foundation that holds the IPO. We can probably use the name, but we will attribute, even if we use a different name, we will attribute and continue this scientific bayanihan, yung panunumbalik. Again, besides thanking you guys, redounding what I discussed about indigenous learning, I invite you now to praxis, to actually learn by participating. We have talked about the concepts, so we have head knowledge of what it is. But then, in order to have that event fruitful, let's have a fellowship. Some of you cannot make it here, but you will be invited. We'll be announcing centers, mga tahanan ng lahi. Of course, it will have different names because we are all independent here. All organizations just united by going back to the good of the culture. Nagbabayanihan. And like what I said, we don't need everybody to actually join. We're casting a large net, but it's okay. I'm really happy that I've met you, and we have more than what I expected to actually agree to do a fellowship by internet and meeting face to face. And we will help you get settled wherever you are here. Our mastery, of course, is local conditions. We will help you here. My taglay is actually in community security and working with communities in indigenous people. I will help you, guide you, do your area assessment, your permaculture site assessment, basically on the normative culture side. And we will be creating a database center and resource center, so that we can all actively engage each other. Lastly, for those that have not attended, don't worry, we will be presenting the talk but in video format, probably condensed. Per topic, we'll be discussing that. Then we will be announcing the next talk. Parang bayanihan na talaga to. Scientific bayanihan, measured scientific bayanihan. It is a revival, it is a cultural revival, and a way to create a doorway for those that want to go back sa payak na pamumuhay, simple at bayanihan, di ba? To prepare for the changes to come. And as an announcement to the Permaculture and Wellness Club of the Philippines, after how many years of asking around and thinking on how we can create community, I would like to announce that we are going to turn the Permaculture Club and Wellness, the Permaculture and Wellness Club of the Philippines, into a real club. We will have club activities and we will have fellowships based on the activities of the people we have recognized as having taglay, may kaalaman, and connection to the real masters and knowledge keepers. We will extend to you the community, diba? The best way to learn is actually doing it, and don't worry, it's going to be simple kasi nasa DNA natin tong Pilipino. So that's it. Thank you. It's a maganda panimulain at marami pong salamat. Para ho sa mga hindi nakadalo, marami pa naman pong bukas. Sana po magkita-kita rin tayo. Salamat.